Welcome back. Now that our project is set up, let's explore the core function Streamlit provides for displaying content. In this lecture, we will learn how to write titles, headers, standard text, and data using just a few simple Streamlit commands. 1. Writing the Streamlit script. We start a new file, app.py, and import Streamlit as st. We also import pandas, as we will use it soon to demonstrate how Streamlit handles data. 2. Displaying titles and headers. To add visual structure, Streamlit provides dedicated functions. st.title displays the largest, most prominent text for the page title. st.header and st.subheader display section headings, which are rendered with different font sizes and boldness. 3. Standard text and data. The most flexible function is st.write. If you pass it a string, it displays text. More importantly, if you pass it a complex object like a pandas data frame, it automatically renders it in an attractive, interactive table format, demonstrating Streamlit's data focus. 4. Using Markdown. For fine-grained control over text formatting, the st.markdown function accepts Markdown syntax. This is highly useful for integrating bolding, italics, lists, and links without complex HTML. The combination of st.write and st.markdown covers almost all of your content display needs. To summarize, these simple commands are the building blocks of any Streamlit app. Our next lecture 41.04, Calculator. See you there.